Good day, everyone. I want to take you through the process to follow when you're applying for employment in the public service, particularly the internship program, bursary program, especially the ones that are specifically designed for youth. All employment opportunities in government are supposed to be advertised either on the website, the newspapers, radios. If you see anything that is not advertised by the Department of Forestry, Fisheries and Environment circulating either on social media, not on an official account of the department, you must know that it does not exist. It's fraud, or it's somebody who's taking advantage of our vulnerable youth out there. Once the advertisement is out for the internship program on newspapers, like I said, you will need to read the requirements on the advert. Make sure that you have all the documents that are required and that are stipulated on the advert for you to be successful on the internship program. You fill in the Z83 form like any other employment in the public service. Attach your CV, certified copies of your qualification. In most cases, we'll also require you to put your academic record to see your academic performance during your university years or college years, so that we make an informed decision that we are taking the right person who has actually studied relevant qualifications that the department requires. It is important to know that the process for us to actually do the recruitment, the internal processes, it takes plus minus 3 months before we can even inform you whether you are successful or not successful. So basically, that's the duration of the time we take the internship program. You'll be getting a stipend for a period of 24 months. A stipend, not a salary, which is something that will make you, to travel from point A to point B. Something, if you need something little, it's the money that you'll be using for you to get your necessities while you are with us, still gaining your workplace experience. Then we have another program, the bursary program. Whether you are studying your undergrad or postgraduate qualification, you're most welcome to apply. We normally advertise it towards the end of the year, around August, September. You must always be on the lookout in our website, like I said, and all official pages of the department, social media pages of the department, official ones. We also advertise bursaries there. People who normally benefit from our bursary program is those previously disadvantaged individuals. All you need to do, there's a specified form that is attached on our website, or you can come to the department, you get that form for a bursary and with the acceptance letter from the institution of higher learning. You also need to provide us with a proof of income of your guardian, whether being your parents or adoptive parents, for as long as they can provide us with you can provide us with the information that we need to see that you really need this financial assistance from the department for you to further your studies. It's open to everyone. For as long as you are a South African citizen, you can take this opportunity and study further and also join us in the department. And we wish you all the best and want to see you joining this wonderful team, taking care of our environment now and for future generations.